We want to get to some of our viewer questions.
Sure.
This first one from Kimberly, and she wants to know, why are public storm shelters an insurance liability? What would be your answer to Kimberly?
Well, great question. Public shelters are, I think there's been some legislation over the past couple of years, but anytime you invite the general public into your place of business, or there's additional liability that's there, unless they're, made to certain standards. But I think it's a great question, and I think it is something that communities really need to look at and possibly have more public shelters, especially in rural Oklahoma and some of our smaller towns, that folks can get to.
So you'd be an advocate for building some of these?
Absolutely. Libraries, schools,
Okay.
that might be able to, libraries may be more the appropriate place to open up to the public, but I do think that the time is now
Okay.
to have this discussion in the state of Oklahoma.
Want to get to Stacy's question. Why do my rates continue to climb with 0 claims on my record? We had a lot of questions similar to Stacy's.
Right. Well, no, that's a very good question. In the state of Oklahoma, if you look at insurance, is really the spreading of risk over large numbers, over large amounts of people in the state of Oklahoma, or even the entire United States. So what I would tell her to do is shop around, bundle, and, go out and look at those rates, because different companies have different actuarial experiences based upon the losses that we have in Oklahoma across the board.
So when will it stop? When will the increases stop?
Well, I think we're trying to take an approach with that, with some of the fortified homes approach, build homes to higher standards where they can withstand some of the high winds, and we won't have total catastrophic losses around the state of Oklahoma. But we do have a very viable insurance market in the state of Oklahoma, many carriers that are out there that do business in our state, which is a very good thing. So shopping around, they may find lower rates with another company.
Look at your options.
Yep.
Sure. This one is from Rich. Why are we being penalized for something that we have no control over, and is insurance supposed to cover that? Cover tornadoes? Why not earthquakes?
Well, earthquake is, tornadoes have, wind and hail has always been a part of a common homeowner's policy, but earthquake is not. Much like flood insurance, if you live in a flood area, the federal government may, or your mortgage company may require you to have an additional coverage. Earthquake, given the catastrophic nature, is priced individually. It's not required by mortgages, but there again, it's a financial mechanism to bring that consumer back whole for a loss that they wouldn't anticipate. So again, it's an add-on coverage right now and not required by any banking institution.
You have a really neat venue for people if they have questions for you to go, and is it a website or a hotline
Yeah,
that
they can
people
call 1-800-522-0071, 1-800-522-0071. There's our consumer services folks are standing by right now at the Oklahoma Department of Insurance to be able to continue to ask these questions. We can meet in person wherever you're at around the state. No question is a bad question, and we even have earthquake forums that are going on here in the next few days in the 10 most impacted counties in the state of Oklahoma to help those consumers.
Okay.